Lawyers, this is how to use YouTube paid advertising to get cases. Hi, I'm Mary Cary at GoMedia Marketing and Productions, legal marketing specialist in California. YouTube is an awesome platform to post your videos. Almost anyone can see them with pretty much any internet connection. They can watch them pretty much on any device too. The platform is stable. Giving you my best tip for getting cases on this subject is a little bit hard because I don't know what your practice area is, and it actually changes depending on practice areas. And this will be a great subject for us to go for a deeper dive in a webinar. But here's my best tips in any practice area for YouTube. If you're looking for a needle in a haystack type of a case, like a brain injury or specific medical device injury, be sure that your ad is keyword specific. But if you have a practice area like Social Security disability or car accident cases where you just need to reach a lot of people, just go for it and send it out to your entire geographical area without narrowing the scope of keywords, and make sure that your content is educational and authentic, not salesy. We build law practices like yours, and we have for over 1 million years. Well, it feels that long. Sign up now for a webinar or an in-house training where we have the time to do a deep dive and go step by step on these subjects. Or if you want us to get your marketing together and do it for you, we can do that too. Oh, I almost forgot. Please like our page, thumbs up, subscribe, get notified, friend us, click, chat, fill out the form, leave a comment, get on our email list. Oh my gosh, you know what I'm trying to say. If you think our content is helpful, stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.